Hey everyone, my name is Megan Ballingy and I'm one of the librarians here at Heartland Community College Library. And this video is about research appointments. So what are research appointments? A library research appointment, it's an opportunity for you to get one-on-one help from a librarian. Most often you'll need help finding academic sources such as research articles or books for your assignments or projects. Librarians can provide some ways to get started with research and how to navigate the library research databases, including which research database to start searching with. What happens during a research appointment? Typically, a librarian will ask you about your research project, what the requirements are, how many sources, what types of sources, how long your paper or assignment needs to be. What ideas you have for your topic, what articles you found so far, and what kind of help you need. Depending on what you need, basically we go from there. So what do you need to do to prepare for your research appointment? Here are some things to have handy during your appointment. Make sure you have access to your class syllabus, or if your instructor has posted something on Canvas about your assignment, you can have that ready, pulled up on your computer, or bring that with you to the appointment. Topics or ideas for your assignment. So if you've already figured out your topic, or if you've gotten started and you found a few articles, you can bring those. Anything else that you've already found. And of course, questions. You can bring any questions about your research to us, and we can help you out. So where will this be located? We can meet with individuals, or if you have a group project, we can meet in person or via Zoom, depending on your preference. If you don't want to actually meet, we can also talk by just emailing back and forth. If you have a question and we can answer it that way, we'd be happy to do that as well.